Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful clover earrings. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and you will be sure to receive every week new fresh ideas for beaded jewelries. I'm posting 2-3 times a week, so you will have a new content often. If you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below, and I will be really happy to see your creations. Down there you will also see list of materials, so check it out. So now I'm going to start. Okay, and what I'm going to need for this tutorial are 4mm crystal bicones. You could also use round beads, but here I prefer to use bicones. And I'm going to need 10 seed beads. You could use 11 no, but then you should add more beads around the edges of these crystals. And I need ear wires if I want to make earrings, bail if I want to make a set of 3. And I will need size 10 beading needle. I'm using here monofilament. You could use your favorite beading thread. And I use my pliers to squeeze the monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. If you use flat thread, you won't need the pliers, so they are not obligatory. And I'm using scissors. And that's all I'm going to use here. So I'm going to start by taking about half an arm span of thread. Okay, and I have my thread on my needle, and now I'm going to start picking up beads. Okay, so first I will need to take 4 of these beautiful bicones. Okay, here are they on my needle, and I'm going to slide them down. And I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I'm going to make a knot. And first I will make a loop, and then I will go once through that loop, and then I will go a second time through the same loop I made with my tail thread, and I'll make sure I'm between those 2 beads where I started my knot from, and I'm pulling, and now this is what I have. I have the center of my clover here, and I will need 12 beads, 12 crystals to make my clover. I have the first 4 added. So my next step will be to take 2 more crystals. Okay, and I have them on my needle, and I'm going in circle through the first one here. Then I want to make a second step, and I will take 1 green bead, seed bead, okay, and I'm pulling. Then I will take 1 more of these beautiful tenos in green. Sorry, and I will take third one here, and I'm going through this crystal. Okay, then I will repeat this here. Okay, I'm going through this crystal here. Let me focus. Okay, and what I need here are 2 more crystals, and I have them on my needle. And now I'm going back in circle through the same crystal of where my thread is going out of. Okay, now I have this, and I will repeat the same steps. I will add here seed beads around my crystals. Okay, and I'm adding 1 and then 2. And here guys, I won't add third one because here I have one already added here in my previous step. So what I'm going to do is go through this crystal here, and I'm coming to my next crystal, and I will repeat this process 2 more times. Okay, I'm taking 2 crystals, and I'm going in circle through them here. Okay, then what I want to do is add 2 more seed beads. Okay, I'm taking one, I'm going through this crystal here, and I want to focus, and then I will take one more green, and I'm going through here, and I'm pulling. Then I will go here through this crystal, and I want to exit here at my last step. Okay, then I will go through the last crystal here in my clover. Okay, soon to be clover. Okay, so I need 2 more crystals, and I'm going through this crystal here in the center. Okay, just like that, and I'm going through the next crystal. And here, guys, in my last step, I'm going to add only 1 seed bead here. Okay, only 1 seed bead. And then I will go through this seed bead, through the crystal, and through the seed bead that follows. Okay, I'm going through it. Just like that. And now, guys, what I need to add here are 5 more seed beads, sorry, 6 more seed beads. Okay, and I have my 6 here on my needle, and I will go through this bead here in the center of my clover. Okay, then I will repeat this step one more time, and I have my 6 here. Now I'm going through this seed bead here. Okay, and my next step will be to go through the following crystal, and then what I want to do is go through this seed bead here as well, only through the seed bead, sorry. Okay, just through the seed bead, and then I will need 6 more of these beautiful seed beads, and I have them here. Now I'm going through this bead in the center, and pay attention, at this step I will add only 5 seed beads, 5 instead of 6, because here I will go through those 2 beads, and this one will be, these leaves of my clover will share a seed bead. Okay, then I will go through the next crystal, and through the next one, and through the seed bead after that. Okay, okay, and now I'm going to repeat these same steps. I need 6 seed beads here, and I'm going through this central bead here. Okay, then I need 5, not 6 but 5, and I have them on my needle, and now I'm going through these 2 beads here, just like that. Then I'm going through the next crystal, and I'm going through the one that follows it, and then here for the last one I will be adding only 5 beads, so here I will go through 2 beads. Okay, I will take 5 seed beads and go through the center, Here are they, and I'm going through the center of my work. Then I will take 5 more, and I have them on my needle here, and I'm going through the following 2 beads, okay? And here is what I have here now. And here, guys, I'm exiting of this seed bead, and I want to exit out of a crystal, so I will go to the next crystal. And when I pull, I have this, and now what I need to take are 5 more seed beads. Okay, take 5, and now let me focus. Now as I'm exiting from this crystal, I will go through the opposite one. Okay, I'm going through the opposite one. Okay, and I'm pulling. Now this is what I have here in the center, and then I need 2 more seed beads, and I will go through the central seed bead here. So here I have 2, here I have 2 as well, and I'm going through the central bead. Okay, from this side I also need 2 seed beads, and I have them on my needle. And now I'm going through the next crystal. Now, guys, this is what I have. I have this beautiful clover here ready, and I need to make a loop of beads where I will attach my ear wire. So I will pick a place here, let's say here, after this seed bead, and I will take 2 seed beads, I will slide them down just like that. Then I will take my ear wire, and I want it put this way, so this will be the front of my earring. Okay, and I'm going through it, and I'm pulling. Then I will need 2 more seed beads, and I'm going in circle through this bead here, and I want to reinforce this joint at least 3 times. Okay, going around, reinforcing this joint here. Okay, and after I reinforce this joint, I will be back to show you how to make your knots. Okay, and I reinforced this joint several more times, and now I want to make some knots here and cut my thread. That's why I'm going to go here, and I want to hide my knots better. That's why I'm going here, and I will make a loop, and I will go once, and then I will go twice through that loop with my thread. I will make sure I'm between the beads where I started my knot from, and I'm going to pull, and I will repeat these steps several more times, and then I will cut my thread. And now, guys, my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming video. I'm uploading 2-3 times a week, so you will be sure that if you stick with me, if you smash that subscribe button, you will receive new fresh ideas every week for beaded jewelry. So that was all from me. Bye bye.